Day 87.
Where are we going today, Haz?
We're going to Momchilgrad.
So this is Zlatograd and we're leaving, going towards Kozali today to Momchilgrad. I'm really worried that they're going to get squashed because look where they are. I'm going to just put something sort of in their way. So I've made a bit of a blockade. So we just got to Momchilgrad, 57k, really easy day. A few big ascents, but nothing compared to the mountains last week. And we got this place here, it's called the Apart Hotel, and it's about £18, absolutely massive. Day 89, and today we're going to go 90 odd kilometres basically to the Greek border. We haven't booked anything because it's quite a long day and it's still quite hilly, so if we don't make it we'll have to wire camp or find something different, but I think we'll make it. There's loads of options in this town. Haz just saying goodbye to her friends. So after leaving Momchilgrad, our apartment, we thought it'd be relatively flat and level and slowly up, but we've been going up for 45 minutes straight now. It's quite tough when you've woken up really cold. Well, it's cold outside, it's warm in our apartment, but pretty tough. So we just got to a big crossroads, and basically it says there's a diversion. We either go right, but that adds on about 50 kilometres to our trip today. My hamstring is absolutely burning already, and I think I've got a slow puncher. Or we carry on going straight and we risk it. I think that even if they're doing roadworks, we can push our bikes around. 50 kilometres or a bit of road closure walking. We'll see. Last day in Bulgaria, a bit of adventure. So that's where we're supposed to be going to. That place that's basically been boarded up. We're going for it. Worryingly, we are going left, but we want to go to Krumovgrad. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we just went through a road closure and basically said, Krumovgrad, just let us through. I knew that'd be the case, Haz. Just let us through. It's, yeah, good man. And straight away around the corner, this is where we're going. Right, slowly, slowly. It's probably not gonna be that for that long. Wow, that's had better days. Let's see how we go. So we managed to get through.
Just pretended we didn't understand anything they were saying.
Yeah. We don't speak Bulgarian. They told us to walk. It was like, so like, okay, we walk. I think they just gave up and we just got through in the end. But that has saved a very, very long detour, so we're very happy. And down there, it's back to the old road. So down to Krumovgrad, find some lunch and crack on. The big benefit to blagging our way through that roadblock is that we've now got probably about 10k of empty downhill road that looks a little bit like this. Here we are in Krumovgrad, about a quarter of the way, well, about a third of the way today. Again, another pretty ugly communist little town. Unfinished buildings, abandoned buildings. A lot of people were staring at Hazza. She's got long cycling shorts on, but from tomorrow we're gonna, she's gonna wear my black trousers, I think, because stop people staring, but also out of respect as well. Give them respect and they'll respect you back, kind of thing. But yeah, didn't expect to have it until Turkey, but this is the last day we've got in Bulgaria, so we're pretty close to the borders now. Road's gone. There's a lot of improvements going on to the roads around here, and then there's big EU signs saying how much they're spending on it, which is great for the country, so hopefully it brings more businesses and things when the infrastructure improves. I think this has been personally one of my least favourite days. All we've done this morning for the last 50 kilometres pretty much is climb up and up and up on broken roads that are just being repaired, with no view as well because the forest is all around us. No real villages to go through. The town we went through was forgettable. Good food though. And I think because also we know the exciting times going forward, we'll get to Greece tomorrow and Turkey, which means hopefully souvlaki and some tzatziki. And it's flat as well. Yeah, always the food, yeah. And also today, nearly 90k day, so it's just like, oh, just want everything done with. Plus my saddle's still going down and I've got a bit of a flat on my back. Just a bit of a killer, really. This is the magical pancake borek cheesy stuff. And this is basically what's inside. So it's got like all this lovely hard cheese. That's a bad example. What a day. How many Ks has?
87.
87 kilometers, most of it uphill. The last 20 was mostly down, which was just a dream. What a day. So tired. Last day in Bulgaria. One to remember. Looks like we've got a nice place tonight there. Ah, here it is.
Day 90. Today we're leaving Bulgaria, our second longest country in terms of duration on this trip. And we're going into Greece for lunch and Turkey for dinner. We're going to finish up in Edirne, our third day on the trip where we visited 3 countries in one day. But first, we're repairing the first flat tyre that we've had all trip. I can't believe we made it 90 days. We've got 4 spare tubes and Matt's going to just change his back tyre, so hopefully we'll go a bit faster today.
Not bad getting 90 days, was it? Without getting any flat tyres. Pretty good going. We found loads of little spikes in there from the thorns, I think. And eventually it just got a slow puncher. And luckily we've only got about 45k today to do today. So, loads of time. The sun is finally out again and we're back on the flat roads. So. Woo! Everything's good. Everything is good. And we're on the last week now, pretty much. Can you believe it?
Can't believe it.
So yeah, today is day 90 of our trip and we're going to the Greek border. We should reach there by around lunchtime. And then we're praying we find a lovely little taverna on the Greek side. And look at the weather. I finally got my sandals back on as well, most importantly. Let's see what Hazard's managed to spend of our remaining lev. What did you end up getting? I tried to buy everything. Oh god. So what have you bought?
Oh, wow.
Exciting.
We have pineapple and melon iced tea.
All good. We can take that wherever we go. Of course you bought some cheese.
Some
raisins. Oh, cranberries. Oh, nice. For porridge. Oh, yes. Hydration.
Some banitsa and
yes.
some pizza bread.
Oh, you done so well. Oh, salt as well. Really good. Well done, Haz.
Now we just find somewhere to spend 5.
Ah, let's go to Greece. Hello. Goodbye, Bulgaria. We're in Greece. Here we are. Just gonna see if we can spend our last 5 Bulgarian lev in this little shop.
Thank you.
To Istanbul.
Yeah.
Pakistan, Iran?
No, finish Istanbul.
From England. England to here. And stop.
What did you end up with, Haz?
1, 2, 3, 4, 8 apples.
Why have we got 8 apples?
Very healthy because he wouldn't let me just give him the change.
Oh, hero.
So he took our lev. He was going to give me euros and then he was going to give me lev and then I was like, no, keep it, and then he filled the bag with apples.
Brilliant. Okay, well, apples for lunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
If we have somewhere to cook, we'll make a nice stewed apple with yogurt.
Oh, yes. All right. Haz, what do you see in front of you? Apart from that cute little puppy.
Greece.
No mountains.
Oh.
No more hills. And the sun. The sun's back. I told you it's always sunny in Greece.
Always.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Do you want an apple? We've got about 18. No.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
So over here in Greece, instead of mass littering and pollution and stuff like you've got in most of Eastern Europe, it's just replaced with cotton. So because we're only in Greece for literally probably 3 hours as we cross the top corner into Turkey, we don't have any euro. So as you've just seen, we just spent our last few lev on some burek, some pizza bread.
8 apples.
And all the apples in the world. And then we're just sitting opposite a little taverna over there. And the guy just came across the street and just gave us a couple of Cokes out of nowhere. Just said, here you go, have some Cokes, fresh cold.
Amazing.
Yeah, so friendly. We got no money to give him. And he just said, just put the bottles back over there when you're done, and just really friendly. Love Greece, love Greece. Ready?
So there's 3 things we've got to do in the last town in Greece. We're only spending about 30 kilometres in Greece today. One of them is to have a Greek beer, make it official. Number 2, turn the roaming off. We're leaving the EU for good now. Turkey doesn't have free internet, so downloaded the offline maps and we're out. And 3, layer up. Turkey's a Muslim country, so can't wear my short shorts on their own anymore. I'm going to put on Matt's checking trousers and a long sleeve top to show my respect for local customs. Just showing off now.
So after that lovely little stop for a couple of beers and a bit of football with a little Greek lad, we're just coming to the end of our time in Greece now, the full 2 hours of it, and we're getting up to the Turkey border. Got to go through customs, and Haz has put her trousers on, or my trousers on. We're ready to go. So excited, this is absolutely momentous. Can't believe we just cycled to Turkey. Bloody legends. No man's land between Greece and Turkey. We did it. We just reached Turkey. Can't believe we've just cycled from London to Turkey.
Amazing.
Not just cycled, but
90 days.
90 days. Feels great to be here. It's only about 10k now to Edirne, and then we're going to relax. We've got 2 nights. We're going to have a relaxed day tomorrow, find a bath somewhere, spa bath, and eat all the Turkish food.
Yum, yum, yum.
How's that? You're amazing.
Matt, you're amazing.
We did it! Oh my god, first time through Istanbul. Crazy. I have no idea. We're on a cycleway.
Amazing.
Just coming out of the immigration area and going over a little river, heading towards Edirne, and we're on a cycle path. Cannot quite believe it. So just crossing the bridge now, and we're gonna shortly be in Edirne. We can see the massive mosque in front of us as well. What's the mosque called? I don't remember. Don't know what the mosque is called, but we'll find out. We're gonna go and visit it all tomorrow. We've got a whole day off tomorrow. Beautiful old bridge.
Olacak.